Hey everybody, welcome to my channel again. My name's Sherry and this is Blue Gemini. You have to go like this. Blue Gemini. Because you're a Gemini too. You're a Gemini too. Blue Gemini. And we have a special little guest here. Renaya. Say hi.
Hi.
This is my 9-year-old. So she's in today's video because it's actually gonna be kind of fun. Well, really fun. So I ordered a box of England snacks for us to try. Different kind of snacks. Okay, so we're gonna try something new. We're gonna try our thumbnail while I record. What are you holding? What are you holding? I have the box. Okay. So we're actually excited. This was actually really cheap. It was only, I think I paid $4, $5 for it. Yeah, I paid like $5 for it. One of these show what we got. And it comes with like 5 or 6 snacks. So it'll tell us what it is. So we haven't even looked at what's in here yet because I wanted it to be an actual surprise on camera. So this is how it comes. It had a bunch of like little flyers and stuff at the top. This is how it comes. Is there any snack that you wouldn't eat?
I don't know what other snacks. The only snacks I eat are the ones that we have here.
Would you eat a snack like the snacks like the bug candy?
No. I had a...
What if it was a challenge? Right now this is like a challenge. We have to taste everything.
Oh yeah.
Even if you don't want to taste it, you gotta taste it. Otherwise, get out my video. I'm just kidding.
There are only 2 things.
So she's a little pickier. She likes candy and stuff, but if it's something that's weird and crazy, it is gonna be a challenge to get her to taste it. But she has to. So you can hold it up. Hold it up so they can see what it is. I'm gonna read what it is. What do they call it?
Space Raiders. They're new. There's 30 pieces in it and spicy flavor cosmic corn snacks.
Okay. Ooh, this doesn't. I thought this would show what we had. It doesn't. That's nowhere on here. So we don't even know what we're eating. Wait, let me see what they look like again. Space Raiders.
England?
These are from, yeah, the United Kingdom. And it just gives information. We ain't trying to be in school no more right now. Okay. So I guess I'll just kind of see if I can figure out what they're made out of.
I think they're made out of corn.
Out of corn? They kind of feel like Cheeto Puffs. But then one of them kind of feels like a U shape, like a pigskin. Yeah. So it's a corn snack. Are you excited? Oh, they don't smell bad. Look at them though. They look like Cheeto Puffs. I mean, like those circle. You guys know those circle Cheeto Puffs that are like wheels. I don't know what they're supposed to be.
The ones that they sell at the corn when they have corn.
No, not those, but like those. You know the the chips that they have, those little puffy things. That's what it kind of looks like. We'll try and show you guys, but y'all know how my camera is. It doesn't always cooperate. Oh, whatever. What you do?
That is pretty close.
Wait. Oh, so that's what I've been doing wrong. I've been going right here, put my hand up, trying to block the light. Okay, so. Okay. See, my baby a little genius. She's way more electronic savvy than me. Like, I think I had to ask her. Okay. This one doesn't actually seem that bad. Whatever. Whatever.
It smells like one of the seasonings you use for your chicken.
It does. Okay.
Oh, yeah, they taste like those chips that me and Eddie like. They're like red.
Which
Yeah.
ones?
They're kind of spicy.
Takis?
I'm gonna be eating these after the video.
They have a sweet taste. They're not really spicy though. Are they hot at all to you? What do they remind you of?
They're like a reddish color.
Oh, I know what you're talking about. She's talking about. She said they remind her of these chips that her and my nephew used to eat a lot when they were little. She's talking about, I don't know what they're called. They start with an S. Like some borrow chips or something like that. But they're like squares and they have like kind of ridges in them. But they're puffy. What are those chips called? Sabaro chips or something like that? You guys like those? I don't. I remember she used to always eat them. And I think they had the lemon flavor. I'm not a fan of lemon chips. But yeah, I don't. That's why you killing these. Taking you back, huh? Memory lane. Okay. You can leave them out. Okay. So.
Should I grab the next one?
Yeah. Pick up. So far so good.
Ew. Pickled onion.
Oh. Okay.
Ones?
Pickled onion. You want to hold it up?
They're called Grab Bag Walker's Monster Munch Pickled Onion Flavored Baked Corn Snack.
See, it sounded like it would be good, like onion rings, until the pickled part.
Do I open it?
Yeah. Okay, those aren't on here either. Maybe they gave me the wrong slip. Maybe this isn't for our candy. Because I could have sworn when I see people do this, it stinks. Oh, I smell it from here. Let me see.
Smells like another one of your seasonings. Doesn't it smell like one of your other seasonings?
It does. It kind of smells like Funyuns, but then it kind of smells like a chicken seasoning.
Imagine those are just Funyuns with chicken seasonings on them.
She said that these ones and the other ones smell like my cooking seasonings. I can kind of smell the pickle.
I'm scared.
Chips seem easy to eat though, with weird flavors.
The big one?
They're all the same. They're all the same. Okay, ready? One. Oh wait, let us show the people. Whatever. Whatever.
3,
2, 1.
I can't bite it. Ah!
You better try. You bite a Taki. Don't act like you can't bite it.
Big.
Bite a piece. This ain't good. Oh my god. And you can't spit it out because I don't have no napkins over here. Ugh.
At the end, they don't have any flavor.
I still taste the flavor. Ugh. That one kind of tricks you. Ugh. Look at how they look in there. They look like they'd be decent. They're not. Ugh. They actually start off tasting kind of like a Funyun. It's like until the flavor like hits your tongue. Then you taste the pickle, but it's not like it's not like a sour pickle, but it's like a vinegar taste. Doesn't it taste like vinegar?
I never tasted vinegar.
Oh, it tastes like vinegar. Oh, but Sarah, are you eating another one?
No.
Okay. So we're gonna go ahead and put that bag to the side. Oh, that's disgusting. Ugh.
Oh, it's candy right here.
I know. Okay, these are on here. I saw that. Frazzles. Sure.
So this one is Frazzled. It's a crispy bacon flavored corn snack. That's what it looks like.
And it pairs perfectly with a frosty beverage. I wonder, is that beer or is that ice cream?
Probably
Or like
ice
a
cream.
shake. Oh, probably a shake because people eat shakes with bacon.
Who?
Yeah. I don't. Do y'all? I never got into that whole craze. I could have.
Yeah. They're wrong.
That's because you don't have any nails to grip it. She bites her nails, you guys. She's been biting.
Personal information.
I need some pointers. Anybody know any pointers to get a kid from biting their nails to stop?
It looks like French fries. With two French fries.
Oh, those actually look good.
Like grandma.
You guys got any tips? Any kind of that anti-bite nail polish that just really works and it's really strong and it's really disgusting? Comment down below and let me know. Because my baby needs to have fingernails.
I do got
fingernails.
fingernails.
No, you got nubs. You ate all your fingernails.
It smells like grandma's bacon, huh?
You said it smells like grandma's bacon.
That's what
Grandma's bacon smells like everybody's bacon.
No, it doesn't.
Ugh. I don't know if I really like the smell. I don't know how I feel about the chips smelling like bacon.
I like bacon.
Yeah, but I don't know about chewing it like a chip. And these are what these are called. These are actually cheap. I hope you eat all these snacks after.
I'm gonna be eating these, not those.
Okay, give me that one. This is how they look. You're not doing it right.
I got the bag in my hand. Okay.
Okay, your bone's cracking.
Okay,
Okay, ready?
One.
1, 2.
It tastes like those noodles that I threw up from a long time ago.
It tastes like bacon. I'm a texture person, so even though it tastes good like bacon, I can't.
I'm gonna give these nasty snacks to Ellis.
I can't wrap my head around I'm chewing on a potato chip that tastes like a real piece of bacon. I'm gonna need it to feel like a real piece of bacon. It kind of feels like a puffy, the crinkly one. I think they're Sun Chips.
Yeah, they're Suns.
It feels like a puffy that like a Cheeto puff and a Sun Kiss put together. But it tastes just like bacon.
Nasty.
I couldn't eat a lot of those. That's weird. Okay.
Yeah.
Now we're down to the candy. We're done with the chips. Okay, so these are gonna be our next candies. They're called Juicy Chews.
We've tried the red ones.
And they're just, I think it's pretty self-explanatory. They're just little fruit chew candies. Oh, these are 2 different flavors. One's darker, I think. Yeah, you see how that one's red? This one's like that.
I'll try this one. You can try that one.
I wish it showed flavors. Wait, but it says what is that? If this is some ice cream type of candy, like creamy candy, I want them. I want the other kind because that looks like peanut butter. It says may contain milk.
That's what it.
Oh.
What? That's what it looks like. Don't bite.
I'm not. This is it out of the wrapper.
It's like a white milky candy. It looks like.
Oh, y'all might not get to see this one. All right, y'all see it there. Bam.
It smells like a candy.
Ooh, my hands don't work.
What it looks like. I can't do it.
That's okay. It's no detail.
They're soft.
All right, ready? 1, 2, 3. Mm. We should have bit it in half to see what it looks like inside.
You wanna know what these taste like?
Starburst.
No. Airheads.
Those are soft.
It tastes like the red Airhead.
Or the blue. All Airheads too taste the same though.
Except for the mystery one.
The mystery one tastes like the blue one. Now y'all, I'm not a fan of candy like this anymore. I used to when I was little, but as I got older, I don't care for that kind. It was good though, but
we need to buy more of these candies.
it's hard to get down.
It is?
Okay.
It went down smooth.
Because you chewed it like a horse.
Next one we're gonna try.
Let me see, what's it called?
Wham Original with sour crystals.
Oh, okay. You can hold it up.
It doesn't have.
I'll read what it
It doesn't have no flavor.
What?
No artificial
Artificial. I don't think that means it doesn't got flavor. I think it just means that it has certain things healthier inside.
Well, this is what it looks like.
It's blurry.
This is what it looks like.
Okay, and that is.
It's a soft candy.
Oh, it doesn't say what it is. It just says a description of where it came from and a black chew bar.
It's black.
No, they either send you a Wham bar or their Black Jack chew bar. So you get either or. Ooh, sherbet fountain. Alright. I feel like this is about to taste kind of like an Airhead. It's the same shape and it looks like an Airhead. Or like those old school. You guys remember those one candies?
These are how Airheads get stuck to the wrapper too.
No, there's another candy. I don't remember what it's called. Was it Laffy Taffy? The watermelon Laffy Taffy?
Yeah, those are huge.
Do you remember those?
They have them stores.
With the watermelon seeds on them?
Oh, I know. No,
Yeah, that's what I thought. Stay in your generation, think of you. But they have a one that's like, it's like thick and it's long and it has little watermelon seeds.
That's cool. You got
Where?
I don't know.
I'm not even gonna eat all this. I might. It smells good.
It smells like watermelon.
Where's the wrapper? Does it have a flavor on it? What is sour crystals? Okay, ready?
What is this on it?
It's the sour crystals. Oh, so it's probably a sour candy.
Oh, alright. This is gonna look like out the wrapper.
You can't really see the crystals. I was gonna show you guys, but they just look like little pieces of like dirt. But you can tell they're little hard things.
All right.
Okay, ready?
1, 2, 3. Tastes like a
What does it taste like?
One of the places that I eat at a lot, not McDonald's, but it tastes like one of those places, strawberry shakes that I don't like, but this I actually like.
It tastes like, it's like when you first put it in your mouth and chew. It tastes like Laffy Taffy, but like softer. It's really soft, huh? Almost like gum. And then as you chew, and you bite down on the little sour pieces, then it's like a burst of sour candy with the strawberry taste and flavor. I think it's strawberry.
I haven't got no burst of sourness.
You probably eating it too fast. Like bubblegum.
I have to keep chewing it. Last two. Next we have
so much chewy candy.
Yeah, this is chewy too. We have a curly whirly.
Oh my god, this is so chewy. The description is on here. It's go ahead and open it. I'll read it. I'm gonna read it all out.
This is what
your hand is. Okay. So it says, imagine a chewy caramel ladder. It sounds good. It just, oh my god, my teeth.
No, it has little rumbles on it. It came in a package on the cracked.
Let me see. Okay, let me hold it so it doesn't break. This is weird.
Don't hold it right there. That's what it is.
I know, I see it.
You know, a lot of candy today.
Mm-hmm.
It's fun. We need to do this again. Different candies.
This is kind of weird. It's really flimsy.
You break it this time. I didn't break it equal.
It don't matter. It don't have to be equal.
Dang, that must be. Caramel. I'm gonna love this.
Don't knock the table down. But it's caramel inside, and then it's chocolate. How do they make that?
They melted some caramel. I don't know.
They would have had to like
Grind.
put the melted caramel on a table or something, and then let it get hard. Like put it on the table in the design.
Oh, I know what they did. They made the chocolate bar, and then they cut it in half, and then they put the caramel in it. Then they let it form.
This caramel was like the caramel on a Twix.
Twix?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it smells like it. All right, ready?
That's what it looks like. Yeah, that's fine.
Ready?
3,
1,
2,
2, 3.
1. This might be the best one. I like caramel. Next, we need to try snacks.
This might be a fave.
Next, we need to try snacks not from England, from different states.
Yeah. I'm going to try and do it from... Where should we get snacks from next? It was like maybe... like 8 or 9 different places you could get snacks from.
Ooh, next we get snacks from Asia.
Can we get stuff shipped from China right now, y'all? Okay.
Nope, no. I didn't teach me about that, okay?
Next one.
Okay. The last candy we have.
This one looks like it's gonna be the best. It looks like a real candy bar.
It's hard. It's called a crunchy. It's a golden honeycomb wrapped in Cadbury milk chocolate. I always wanted to try honeycomb. I'm excited.
That's kind of weird. You say you're excited?
Oh, I always wanted to try honeycomb.
I ain't never had honeycomb either, and I
Like.
wouldn't picture it in a candy bar. But I guess
The
I thought it was.
honeycomb is probably like caramel.
I don't think honeycomb is like syrup, but I don't know how the actual honeycomb tastes. I think actual honeycomb is probably more like ice cream cone material. So yeah, I know you wanted to eat this.
No, because I kept feeling like it was gonna pull the teeth.
Oh.
All right, so that's what it looks like.
So this will be a first for us. We've had chocolate, we've had caramel, we've had taffy, but neither of us have ever had anything with honeycomb. So this will be interesting. I feel like it's gonna break like how Butterfingers break. It smells like chocolate. You can't smell it. So it looks like a candy bar.
That's what it looks like. It's a big candy bar.
The wrapper makes it look like. Hold on, we showed you guys the wrapper, huh?
Yeah, I showed them.
It looks like peanut butter in the wrapper,
Yeah.
but or it's probably wafer.
Dang, I can't even get it. That's probably the outside. Push the honeycomb into it.
I don't know about this one, y'all. This texture is already looking funny. It's like sponge. How do I get this close? Help me, Renaya.
Okay, let me do it.
I want them to see how this looks inside.
Oh.
It looks like sponge, like sofa cushion, but it's hard. See? It's hard, but it looks like sofa cushion.
You ready? Ready?
What kind of texture is this about to be? Yeah. Ready?
3,
1,
2,
2,
1.
3.
bite it.
Bite a little piece off. That texture is funny. I don't even know how to explain that. Sure.
I'd rather eat a regular honeycomb.
It's like a.
Does the honeycomb actually look like that?
It's like hard mixed with hard wafer mixed with hard Butterfinger.
Hard Butterfinger. Hard
It doesn't. It's not in layers, but once you bite it, a bunch of layers of the hard stuff break off. But it looks solid. It breaks off like a Butterfinger, but it's solid. So that's kind of weird. Where's the
Make it hot and candy in here.
So we're not gonna touch that one again.
We're gonna be touching the Space Raiders.
She's over here killing the Space Raiders one. Okay. So that was all of them. That was what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Like 7 snacks for $4. Shoot, that was a good deal. So I'm gonna definitely be ordering more. Comment down below where you guys think we should order from again. I want to get some weird stuff. Like this was interesting.
That honeycomb was weird.
That honeycomb was really weird. I couldn't see nobody eating that whole thing. Like,
and that onion pickle thing was weird.
What was the worst one to you if you could pick?
That one.
The onion pickle one? Yeah. The onion pickle one was definitely the worst. What was your favorite? I know you're killing these space spider.
Now they're kind of getting hot since I ate a lot of them.
Which one was your favorite after that? The little chewies?
Mm-hmm.
See, my favorite was, besides that little caramel one, I think we both.
Oh yeah, I did like that.
I think we both said the Wham was good, but the curly whirly one was my next favorite. The
Wait,
one.
Which one was the curly one?
The red one with the pieces of sour.
Oh.
That was my second favorite. But yeah, it was fun. So we are going to definitely be doing it again. She'll most likely be joining me because I can't eat any kind of candy or snacks without her.
Or she'll get in trouble.
Yeah. So I want to thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Go ahead and hit the like button just to let us know you are here and you enjoyed it. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already. We appreciate everybody that has so far. And go ahead and hit post notifications so you can see when we drop our next video and where our next snacks may be from. All right, you guys, bye.